partner's capital account. First we prepare PL appropriation account, then after we prepare partner's capital account. There are the two methods for preparing partner's capital account. First one, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Another name is flexible floating partner's capital account. So, in fixed capital, how to identify? We use which method? Fixed capital method or fluctuating capital method? When the when in the question is given when the capital are fixed, or another way you recognize when the capital as well as current account balances are given in the question. Only used fixed capital method. Otherwise, only capital balances are given. Then we use fluctuating capital method. Always 90% we use fluctuating capital method. When we used fixed capital method, either question is indicated used fixed capital method, or capital balance and current account balance is given in the question. Now we assume firm is used fixed capital method. Otherwise, when each and everything is silent regarding capital method, partners capital method, we use fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method, we prepare two separate ledgers, capital account and current account. In fluctuating capital method, we prepare only one ledger, partners capital account. In fixed capital method, capital is separately shown in partner's capital account. Other transactions related to the partner, it is shown in partner's current account. In fixed capital method, if when the partner introduce capital or when firm started a business, partner introduce capital, it is written in partner's capital account. So, opening balance, the previous year balance, carry forward, credit balance, carry forward in credit side of the partner's capital account. If during the financial year, if any partner wants to introduce additional capital in the firm, we have written in partners capital account. Suppose Mr. A introduced additional capital during the financial year, so the additional capital is written in only in A's column. This ledger is prepared in columnar form. जितने पार्टनर होंगे उतने ही लेजर्स आपको उतनी ही लाइन ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी. If there are the three partner, you have to draw three lines A, B and C. And if B didn't introduce any capital, so don't write in B's column. If any partner withdraw capital during the financial year, then we return only in debit side of the partner's capital account. Suppose B withdraw 50,000 during the financial year, so we have written 50,000 in B's column. And then we find out balancing figure. It is called closing capital. Only that ledger is changed when any partner introduce capital during the financial year or withdraw during the financial year. Only that case the opening and closing balances are changed. Otherwise, opening and closing balances are same. In this method, capital always be credited, not in debited, because when initially partner introduce capital, then it is shown in partner's capital account. If partner withdraw any capital from withdraw, then the balance is changed, or a partner introduce capital, then balances are changed. Is it clear? Then next ledger is prepared, partner's current account. So other information regarding partners transaction, it is recorded in partner's current account. Current account balance may be debit, may be credit. If credit balance, you have to write down in credit side. If it is a debit balance, you have to return in debit side. Suppose A's current account balance is credit, then you have to return in credit side. If B's balance in debit side, you have to return in debit side. Then if firm provide interest on capital, if firm provide interest on capital, then you have to return in credit side of the partner's current account. If salary provided to A, so salaries amount written in A's column. If provide B's salary provided to B, then you have to return in B's column, otherwise you have to return in A's column. Commission provided to B, then you have to return in B's column. Then profit, whatever be profit distributed shown in appropriation, you have to return in credit side of the partner's capital account. In debit side, interest on drawing, and if partner withdraw amount, you have to write debit side drawings amount. If loss appropriation charge against the profit, then loss is shown in debit side. Then we find out balancing figure. Look at girls, when we prepare appropriation, interest on capital is written in debit side, you have to transfer in current account in credit side. Salary written in appropriation debit side, you have to return in credit side. So connection is cross connection. You have to return in credit side of interest on drawing, do you have to return in current account in debit side. Is it clear? Balancing figure may be debit side or may be credit side. Then we close the current account.